tell me where we're going?
Let's go to Brown Mailbox.
And then what do we do?
We turn around. Ready?
Ready.
The pedal.
Here I come.
I'm not going to slow down. I turn around.
Woo! Brown mailbox. What do we do when we get to the brown mailbox?
We turn around.
Wow, good turning.
Take a break a minute.
What are we going to do?
We're going to take a break.
Oh, that was a lot of bike riding, huh? Maybe we should go home and make some lemonade to cool down. What do you think?
Outside.
We should make it outside?
Get lemonade and then put it over our drink.
Yeah.
Why this is on here?
Because it's pretty. You
For
ready?
us to go somewhere.
We're going to go again?
Gotta take a break. A minute. For us to go right.
Go, go, go. Pedal, pedal, pedal. It is a little hard, isn't it? Because you're going up the hill. Boy, oh boy, I better come help. Go. Push hard. Push hard. Pedal those feet. Hard work. Bike ride's over. Are you just taking a rest? You gonna take a nap here?
This is our house.
This is the street. Are you going to take a nap on the street? Okay. I'll come get you later.